I say this at the beginning of every Sophie and Toffee video, but time needs to just pause for a second because it's already time for the January Sophie and Toffee Elves box. Now, there was a little hole in the package so I can see that the box is pink. Let's see what's inside. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Campbell, and I am here opening up the January Premium Sophie and Toffee Elves box. Now, I already know what the theme is, which is very unusual for me. Usually I do my very best to avoid all spoilers, but unfortunately I was reminded quite a few times from quite a few people what the theme was, and I'm like, I don't want to know. Please don't tell me what's inside. Luckily, I have no idea what's actually inside, but I know that the theme is something to do with tarot cards, I think. Now, that's not usually my kind of bag, but I'm still very intrigued nonetheless. And maybe we can use the stuff that we got from the blowout box with this box, because when I spoke to Sophie and Toffee, because I did, I said, how come we didn't get any molds in the blowout box? And they said, well, really, this is more geared towards like adding to the forthcoming boxes. So we shall see. Oh, look how pretty it is. I do love this color. Absolutely adorable. Right, let's get it open. For those of you who are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Ayesha. I am your kawaii sister. So basically, I'm here to just help you become more kawaii. Every week, I post up videos on kawaii crafts and kawaii fashion and lifestyle and all that jazz. Now, whenever I do an unboxing, I don't look inside. I like to just put my hand in and feel. The box feels light this time. I'm feeling lots of tissue paper. I'm not feeling packing peanuts, I'm feeling tissue paper. So let's see what this is. It's tissue paper. Okay. Why have we got tissue paper? Where are the packing peanuts? Sophie and Toffee, if you're listening, packing peanuts if you please. Now that feels like it is the booklet. Yes, okay, so we'll pop you over there. I'll look at the booklet a little bit later. I'm feeling shaker film. Whenever there's shaker film, I'm always a happy bunny. Yes, I will get to the shaker element of the Sum Sum box, but we've just had Christmas and we've just had New Year. It's been a lot, okay? So like, I will get to working out how to do shakers with that box, don't you worry. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, this might be a bit delicate. What is this? Ooh, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, King of Wands, Queen of Swords. These sound like spells, but they're beautiful. We can do some really cool sort of like magical, witchy sort of vibes. I'm liking this. Comment below if you're into that. If you're into like tarot cards or any sort of like, you know, witchy vibes. I want to know. Okay. Ooh, this is another one. Ooh, so we've got some Roman numerals here. The Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant. How do you say this word? Hierophant? This one? It's a long word, it begins with H. I don't know what it is. This is spoiling my backdrop. Right, anyway, these are probably to go on the cards, I would imagine. Ooh, let's see, what else have we got? I just realised I oohed quite late today. That's something that just always tends to happen in my unboxings. I'm always oohing. What is this? Ooh, hello. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so these are the little tarot cards. They're so tiny. They're adorable. This is so nice. Oh, man. Who do I know who would like me to make something for them with this pack? There must be people out there that I know who are into these kind of vibes. Please let me know. because like I want to make something for someone. Look how beautiful these are. That's stunning. Gorgeous, gorgeous holographic gold tarot cards. They're so ditty. Oh my gosh. You can make like little like tarot necklaces, tarot key rings. Let me know if you are into this thing. Seriously. That's so cute. Okay. Is this some more film? Oh, okay. So we have bigger ones as well. Okay, we have some massive ones here too. That's like actual like tarot card size. They're so beautiful though. I love anything that's like gold hollow, silver hollow, and iridescent. I'm all here for it. By the way, yes, I am wearing gloves because it's cold, okay? It's -2 today. I know that some of you guys are from the US, and I know that it gets ridiculously cold over there. But here in Britain, if it reaches 3 degrees, we are freezing. So, oh my gosh, even though I'm inside my house, I'm still cold. Right. Oh my gosh, you've got more. There's so many. I like that we've got different sizes. These are so beautiful though. Oh my goodness. Hold on a second. Let's get that open. Okay. This is a lot prettier than I thought it was going to be, you know. I really wasn't entirely sure what to expect. So there we go. We've got some medium-sized tarot cards there. You can use those to make some key rings and stuff, I suppose. Key rings, necklaces, that kind of thing. Or an actual set of tarot cards. I'm yet to find a mold though. I'm yet to find a mold. More film. Okay, what are you? Okay, so we have another big big tarot card film. Ah, we have a mold. We have a mold. We have a mold. What are you? Ooh. Ooh, so it has like a cup and a sword. Okay, this goes with, well, does it go with this? Hold on a second. One moment, please. Let me just check. Let me go back to my first thing. Right, here we go. Page of Wands, Page of Swords, Page of Cups, and Page of Pentacles. I think that is what this mold is. Ooh, so we have cups, pentacles, swords, and wands. Very magical, very mystical. Ooh. Okay, another mold. Oh, this is lovely. I like this one with like the sun and the moon and the planets and stuff. This is very cosmic. I like. Let's have a little look-see. Have a look at it properly. There we go. Yeah. Look at that. That's really nice. That's a really, really cute mold. I do like that. Lovely. Okay, let's see. What else have we got in here? This is exciting. This is actually better than I thought it was going to be. We have another mold. Okay, so this is for the large tarot card. Right, okay. This is going to take up a lot of resin, you know, to make like a full-blown set of like large ones. This is going to take a lot of resin. I hope they're giving us a lot of resin with this, you know, because it's going to be a lot, but this is beautiful though. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So you would use these in there and that will be like your nice pretty border. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's see, what else do we have? By the way, if you love my jumper, isn't it adorable? Be kind to you. It's like my mantra for this year. I will actually leave a discount code in the description box below for you because I got it courtesy of Unstigma Shop. They very kindly gave me a couple of sweatshirts and I really like this one, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. I'm trying to practice being kinder to myself, i.e. not stressing out when I haven't got a video out in like 3 minutes into the year. You know, I'm just trying to pace myself. So anyway, ooh, this is pretty. So we have like a skull and we have like a jester's hat, I think. We have a castle of some sort, some scales, a very intricate and interesting looking mold. Can you guys see all the things there? There we go. Let me try and focus that for you. Okay, there. Can you see that? That is so cool. I'm really impressed with the amount of molds that we've gotten. I wasn't expecting us to have this many molds. This makes up massively for the lack of molds that we got in the blowout box. This massively makes up for it, if this is your thing, if you're into like tarot cards and magical stuff. What are you? Okay, I think it's more sort of like similar things. We have like an infinity symbol, and we have a crown, and we have some love hearts. It's really like intricate and interesting. I can't wait to see what the example videos are for this, just so that I can get some ideas. Because like, gosh, these molds are very intricate. Very intricate. Like, you can either just sort of do it very easily and just, hang on a second, let me just focus that for you. Yeah, there we go. You can either do it very easily and just like, you know, pour in your colors and whatever, or you can really take your time and get into every single little nook and cranny with these molds, because there's some very intricate designs there. And another mold. Oh my God. What are you? Oh, so this is for the medium and tiny tarot cards. I really like the little ones. I think they're so cute. We could make tarot card rings. Oh my gosh, I need to buy some new ring blanks then, actually, because I think I've run out. I can't get it open. Can't get it open. Ah! I genuinely like this more than I thought that I would. I am surprised. I have really surprised myself. And finally, the pièce de résistance. We have 25 grams of resin. Okay, we're gonna need to get a lot more than that, because we have some big ass molds here. So we need a lot more resin than 25 grams. So honey, you guys, if you're not already stocked up on resin, I suggest that you do so, because you're gonna need it. Another thing that I'd have really liked to have seen inside the box is some pigments. I know that if you are an avid collector of Sophie and Toffee stuff, then by now you already have plenty of pigments, but there are always new people joining. So if you are brand new to Sophie and Toffee and this is your first box and you're looking inside it and you're going, well, this is really cool, but I have nothing to color my resin with. If you wear makeup, you can use eyeshadow. You can literally just like scrape off little bits of eyeshadow pigment and mix it in with your resin. You can do that. Alternatively, you can have a little look online on places like obviously Sophie and Toffee or Amazon if you want to get it quicker, because you can get yourself some resin pigments there. What else can you use? You can use mica powders, you can use acrylic paint, but be very sparing with acrylic paint if you're going to be using that. Yeah, there's lots of different things. Alcohol inks, there's loads of different ways that you can color resin. Even just glitter, you know, you can color resin with just glitter. So don't feel like you're completely at a loss. You can do it, but it would have been nice to have had some different colors, or even just one or two inside of this box just to help people get started. But as I said, you can do this. Okay, let's check out the booklet. Ooh, January Elves box, Ace of Wands. That is so cool. And I've accidentally seen what the theme is for February. Hopefully I'll forget it by then. Hopefully I'll forget it by then. I don't usually hope to forget things. I just naturally forget everything. Right, let's see. What have we got? So if you got the regular box, then you got the standard card blank mold and the miniature blank molds as well. And also you got the minor arcana molds. The minor arcana comprise of 4 suits commonly known as wands, cups, swords and pentacles. You also got the holographic films and the and basically the holographic films that match the size of your tarot card molds as well. And you would have gotten some clear shaker film and some of the resin as well. If you got the premium box, then you would have gotten all the extra molds there. So we've got the we've got 3 major arcana mold designs, and then you also got this backing film. Is it this one? This one. That one, yeah. So that is for the large side. Ooh, standard tarot card design. So there you go. So in the book, you've got some little like examples there of things that you can make. That's very cool. Is that it? I think that's all that they have in there. Oh, so we haven't got any winners of any previous competitions. Maybe because we're starting a new year. Maybe they're doing it differently. I don't know. But I am very impressed with the amount that you get. The only thing I would say is that we needed to have more resin than 25 grams to be able to make like the big stuff. So I would suggest either getting some more from Sophie and Toffee or maybe from Amazon. and also decide whether you want to use UV resin or epoxy resin. Epoxy resin, you normally have to cure it for 24 hours, but that might work better for you with the larger mold if you don't have a big enough lamp to cover the entire thing. I am actually quite excited to get going with this. Please let me know if you are into these kind of vibes, because yeah, I would love to know. I'd love to hear more from you, and you might actually be able to help me with some ideas for what to make. More than likely, I'm going to make some jewelry out of it, because you already know me. I wear everything. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this video and you are looking forward to seeing what I'm going to make with this box, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.